Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to study about creating table with constraints. पहले के क्लास में हम लोगों ने देखा है कि विदाउट constraints टेबल कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। उसमें सिर्फ आपको फील्ड का नाम और डेटा टाइप देना होता है। यहाँ पे एक तीसरा चीज़ ऐड हो जाएगा, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कॉन्स्टेंट्स। कॉन्स्टेंट्स में कुछ कॉन्स्टेंट्स जो हैं वो वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट है, उसको पहले देख लिया जाए कैसे हम इसको जानते हैं। तो दीज आर द कॉन्स्टेंट्स। कॉन्स्टेंट्स मीन्स होता है कि किसी चीज़ पे आप रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाते हैं। रेस्ट्रिक्शन कि आप ये काम कर सकते, ये काम नहीं कर सकते, ये काम कर सकते, ये काम नहीं कर सकते। इस तरह के रिस्ट्रिक्शंस जब हम टेबल में लगाते हैं, फील्ड पे लगाते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं कॉन्स्टेंट्स। तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं पहला कॉन्स्टेंट्स है आपके नॉट नल। नॉट नल मीन्स ये अगर कांस्टेंट हम टेबल लगा देते हैं फील्ड पे, तो क्या होगा, जब भी हम टेबल में इनपुट करेंगे रिकॉर्ड्स, तो वो रिकॉर्ड जो है स्किप नहीं कर सकते हम उस फील्ड को। जैसे हमने लगा दिया एज और उसके आगे लगा दिया नॉट नल, तो क्या होगा, एज हम इनपुट किए बिना आगे नहीं जा सकते। मीन्स एज कैन नॉट बी ब्लैंक, एज को हम ब्लैंक नहीं रख सकते। इसका मतलब है नॉट नल। बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट नल सेट होता है कि आप स्किप करके दूसरे वैल्यू को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट कि constant is unique. Unique means you have to provide always different values in this field। जैसे कि आप क्लास में रोल नंबर होता है, वो हमेशा यूनिक होता है। एक क्लास में एक ही रोल नंबर दो बच्चों का नहीं हो सकता है। तो यूनिक की कांस्टेंट क्या करेगा कि आपको डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू एंटर करने नहीं देगा। इट विल रिस्ट्रिक्ट टू एंटर डुप्लीकेट वैल्यूज़। नेक्स्ट है प्राइमरी की। ये आपको 11th में बताया है। प्राइमरी की क्या होता है, द प्राइमरी की इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वन और मोर देन वन की दैट आइडेंटिफाइज अ रिकॉर्ड यूनिकली। जैसे पूरे स्कूल में, आपके स्कूल में अगर सेक्शन ए और बी में देखें तो दोनों जगह रोल नंबर 1 मिलेगा, लेकिन पूरे स्कूल में एडमिशन नंबर देखें तो एक ही एडमिशन नंबर एक आदमी को अलॉट होता है, और क्लास 1 से लेकर क्लास 2 तक, क्लास 12 तक वो एडमिशन नंबर यूनिक होता है। मीन्स सेम एडमिशन नंबर कैन नॉट बी गिवन टू अदर स्टूडेंट्स। तो ऐसे रहने से क्या होता है, हम किसी भी स्टूडेंट के बारे में उसका डिटेल पता कर सकते हैं एडमिशन नंबर से। सो सर्चिंग ऑफ रिकॉर्ड एंड मॉडिफाइंग और अपडेटिंग ऑफ रिकॉर्ड बिकम्स ईजी। सो प्राइमरी की ये काम करता है। फॉरेन की कंसेप्ट है, जैसे दो टेबल में डेटा रख रहे हैं आप, तो दोनों टेबल में रिलेशन इस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, फॉरेन की दूसरे वाले टेबल में फॉरेन की बना देते हैं। नेक्स्ट है चेक। तो चेक क्या करेगा, चेक कंडीशन को देता है स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन अप्लाई करेगा। जैसे आप एज डाल रहे हैं, एज आप चाहते हैं कि 18 ईयर्स से नीचे का एज बाय मिस्टेक भी नहीं डले, इट शुड नॉट गो बाय मिस्टेक लेस देन 18 ईयर्स। तो वहाँ चेक लगा देंगे, चेक इन ब्रैकेट एज ग्रेटर देन 18, दैट so that age cannot be less than 18 years. Like that, other things also you can write, check salary not less than 25,000, अगर 25,000 से कम सैलरी नहीं देनी है तो चेक मार्क्स शुड नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन 100 से ज़्यादा मार्क्स नहीं होना चाहिए बाय मिस्टेक, तो वहाँ चेक लगा सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू कांस्टेंट। डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू कांस्टेंट मीन्स सपोज when you are entering record and that time if you are skipping some fields in record, then by default what value should be there। जैसे आप मेल फीमेल इनपुट कर रहे हैं, अगर आपने उसको स्किप किया, इनपुट नहीं किया, तो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट मेल वहाँ आ जाना चाहिए। ऐसा सेट करने के लिए हम डिफ़ॉल्ट कीवर्ड, डिफ़ॉल्ट कांस्टेंट यूज़ करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज इंडेक्स। तो इंडेक्स हम ज़्यादातर यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए इसको अभी तत्काल छोड़ दीजिए। We will now let us do an example. Let us see this example. Two tables here, one person and one order. Two tables are being created. So person table is having ID of person and constant is not null primary key, means it will take primary key means it will take always unique value, and not null means you cannot leave it blank. Then first name, last name, not null means you have to provide this value. First name you can leave. Next is age, age is integer. Next is CT, CT varchar, and if you are not inputting this CT, then by default automatically it will take Jaipur. And constant check person, check age greater than 18. This constant you can apply while on the age here, just after the field name here we will write age greater than 18, check. Second table is order. In order ID is there, it is not null. Next order number not null, person ID integer, and primary key here it is written primary key at last. This is called table constant, and in first table we are writing here primary key with ID together, then it is called field constant. With field you are using, then it is called field constant, and when you are using at last means after giving all the fields you are using, then it is called table constant. So here you are table constant. Next, second table you are seeing here. In this one foreign key is created. Foreign key is with person id is field of this, and references person is table name of first table, and id is primary key of first table. So primary key of first table is being reference to person id of second table, and then it is called foreign key in second table. Okay, so let us start the SQL prompt. So this table we will create same table. One table is person id, first name, second name, age, city. So create table person open bracket id, that is integer, constant you have to apply, not null, and primary key. So id will be primary key for this first table, comma, then name, you can write first name, f name, that is varchar, and I will give 15, and not null constant I will give. So this you cannot skip. Next is age, int, and apply check constant, check age greater than 18, then city, varchar, (20), and default I'll write Guwahati, anything else? That's all. So after that what you have to do, you have to close the bracket, then give semicolon. If any spelling mistake is there, then it will give error, otherwise it will create the table. So press enter. What is problem? No database is selected, so I did mistake. We have to use our database is my school. Next we will create table, so it will not take time. Create table, id, name, age, city, that's all. So what is error? is error is we have left CT, and so I'll go again, create, then this, then F name, first name, age, CT, then close bracket and semicolon. So this is now okay. So whenever creating table, you have to keep in mind the spelling, and at last every line will have comma, but last line will not have comma. So like this you can create table, and I'll create next table also. Order, order ID, order name, person ID. So create table, you can write in a small or capital letter both, order. So open bracket, what is order ID. Okay, similarly you can write order ID. OID also you can write int, and similarly not null, primary key without comma, primary space key, then what is order number, person ID, that's all. Order number, again integer, person ID, integer. You can see here in first table also ID is integer, and second table also person ID is integer. So both should have same data type, then only we will able to make foreign key. So I'll make foreign key, person ID, FOR, but I did not give comma, so first comma, then FOREIGN, foreign key will be person ID, person ID, and references, we have to give reference for from first table. So references, first table name is person and field name is ID. So this close, so this should be there. References spelling, references spelling must be correct. References, okay, then press enter. Again some error is coming. It will, this version of MySQL is not supporting, I think, foreign key. So we will go now without foreign key. Item name varchar, bracket close, semicolon. enter. So what is problem? This one was a problem due to order word. Order word is this word is already in this MySQL, so it was not accepting this word order, and I have given orders, so I just added one letter S in table name, so it has accepted. Because any software which is having some keywords which is already defined, and that cannot be used as table name or field name. Like primary, you cannot write as any field name, it will not accept. So for that you have to give this different name. Okay, so two tables have been created. Now I'll try to make you understand. I'll create one more table with foreign key orders 1, and same thing I'll give order number, person ID integer, item number, and I'll try to give the foreign key, FOREIGN, foreign key. We are making foreign key to person ID of this table, references. First table name is person, and primary key is ID. So first table name is person, so you have to references person, and field name is ID, so it should work. So it is giving, yes, error is after item varchar 15 we have to give comma. Let us see. Comma, then foreign key, person ID, and references. So now it is okay. So we have created foreign key also and primary key also. So two tables have been created, and both table is joined with a foreign key. So after this we will enter records in both the table, and we will go ahead with. So first table is what is describe. First table is our person. So this is our first table, and suppose we are going to insert one record. Insert into person table, person values. First one is ID, so 101. Second is first name is character, so Manoj, single quote close, then comma, then age is 41 and city is Delhi. Where means you have to provide in single quote. So Delhi and bracket semicolon. So one record entered. Now you have to see this magic. This one I did not give, and 101 is now 102. Now enter what is there. Column count does not match. How to skip this city? So for that you have to insert into person, and suppose I want to give ID comma F name comma age, that's all. So in this way it will accept. Sumit, age 22. We have to check that constant is working or not. Now we will provide same ID, same record twice, then it will give error. Error is what? Error is duplicate entry, because already we have used 102 as primary key, so second time it will not allow. Primary key means it will allow only unique value, it will not allow duplicate value, so error is coming duplicate value. So primary key cannot be duplicate. Okay, so when you are changing this value 103, it will accept. Okay, one more thing I'll give 104 unique next value, and I'll change name also, Samu, and I'll give age less than 18 years, suppose 11. Then what is it is accepting because of a setting of this different version of MySQL. So primary key cannot accept this duplicate value, this one you have seen, and I did not enter city in last 3-4 records. So what type of value will come? So default value was in our table. What default value was in table is table is city के लिए क्या है? Guwahati. So it should take automatically Guwahati. So when I will write select all from person, then you can see in first record I have provided city Delhi, but in last 3 record I did not provide this city. Then by default it is Guwahati. Automatically it is taking from the constants I have set default Guwahati, city default Guwahati. So like this you can create table and use different types of constraints with the table. So remaining things we will see in next class. Thank you very much.